Let's make perfect brown rice in an Instant Pot. It's actually very, very simple. This is gonna be a very, very short video. First, open the lid to your Instant Pot. I am using 3/4 cup of brown rice today, but the recipe holds no matter what the quantity. So 3/4 cup of brown rice into my Instant Pot. This only works for brown rice. If you try doing this with white rice, you're gonna overcook that rice. 3/4 cup of water with just a tiny bit more, like maybe a tablespoon, not even a tablespoon more water than 3/4 cup. So roughly the same amount of water as rice. Like if you were gonna use 1 cup of brown rice, you'd use 1 cup plus like a tablespoon of water, right? Really simple. Pour that right in. To that, I'm going to add just half a teaspoon or so of oil. This happens to be canola oil. You can use olive oil, whatever you want. The oil just helps it to not stick and burn. You don't even have to mix it. I don't even mix it, really. Just kind of give it a swirl like that. Get everything a little bit moistened. Put the lid on, make it sing. Just like that, lock it up, and then pressure cook for 17 to 18 minutes. I usually do 18 just because it's a little bit easier. I turn off the keep warm function and hit start. Make sure it's not on vent. You want this to pressure cook, okay? So what'll happen is it'll start to heat up, it'll build up pressure, then it'll cook for that 18 minutes, and then let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll see when it's done. Okay, so the timer went off. It sat for about 10 minutes. The little clicker thing that lets you know that there's pressure or not has actually dropped. So now I can just open the lid. Don't even need to vent it because there's nothing left to vent. The pressure's gone. And just, there's some water in there. It's okay, get it out. You probably want a glove. Let me get a glove so I don't burn myself. And then lift up the pot, move it around, make sure there's no liquid in the bottom. If there is, you might end up having to run it for another minute or two, but generally speaking, it just comes right out perfectly. Nothing sticks, nothing's burnt, and we have beautiful brown rice. Now, brown rice is a little bit different texture than white rice, but it's also a lot more nutritious, and we've started using it almost exclusively around here when we can. So, you know, give it a try. Brown rice is good for you. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle